Hello students, today I will explain you the first chapter of physics, matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and that occupies space. Anything that we see around us such as food, water, plants, animal, milk, house, shoes, these are all examples of matter. Now what is this matter made up of? Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms may or may not have an independent existence. In case atoms do not have an independent existence, two or more atoms join together to form molecules. So we can define molecule as the building block of matter that can exist independently. Characteristics of states of matter. Depending upon the arrangement of constituent particles, matter is classified into three types: solid, liquid and gas. We begin with solid state of matter. Solids are probably the most common form of matter that we come across in our daily life. The walls of your house, the iron gate of the school and the chairs that we sit on are all examples of solids. Their shape always remains the same. We recognize fruits and vegetables from their distinctive shape, size and colors. Fixed shape, size and volume are the characteristic properties of solids. These properties of solids arise due to compact packing of their constituent particles or the molecules. The compact packing of molecules also makes solids rigid and incompressible. Liquids. Liquids do not have their own shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept in. The constituent particles of liquids are not tightly packed. Therefore, liquids are not rigid in nature. Liquids can flow easily on a surface because their constituent particles can move, slide past one another. The particles in liquids are not very tightly packed, yet they are close to one another. So liquids are not easily compressed and they have a fixed volume. Now we come to gases. Gases do not have a fixed shape and size. They fill the container occupied by them. Constituent particles in gases are very loosely packed and they are far away from each other. Thus, gases are highly compressible and they do not have a fixed volume. These are all examples of gases. Difference between solids, liquids and gases. Molecules in solids are tightly packed. Solids are rigid objects that have well-defined shape and size. Solids are incompressible and solids cannot flow. Molecules in liquids are not packed tightly. Liquids do not have their own shape and size. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids cannot be compressed easily. Liquids can flow easily on a surface. Gases. Molecules in gases are packed very loosely. Gases do not have a fixed shape and size. They expand and fill the space. Gases are highly compressible. Gases can flow easily in all the directions.